I'm gonna show you how to install the Ring video doorbell. It's real simple to do. I made a video earlier of what was in the package, and I'm just giving you a quick view. And this thing is really simple to install. I was very surprised. It took me about maybe 20 minutes. Probably could have did a little faster. I was doing a little recording. As you can see, this is what's in the package. And you just take this part off and mount it on the wall. Make sure it's level. You got all your stuff you need. Only thing you need is a drill if you're drilling into the concrete or wood. So this is the front entrance of my house. As you can see, I'm gonna install the Ring doorbell here, so it's gonna have restricted views. I can't even see my mailbox, but I'm really only concerned about the front of the house. Like if I receive packages or something, and make sure the voltage is correct, and it's all in the manuals or which type of voltage. And I'm gonna install it right here. I'm gonna only put a couple of screws because I'm gonna replace this and put it on the other side of the door, maybe in a few days, so I won't have so much of a restricted view. As you can see, I took a nail and just knocked a little hole right there, and I'm gonna take my drill and I'm gonna drill a couple of holes to mount this on. It's really easy to drill through this concrete. Make sure you go deep enough. And to figure out how deep you need to go, just take your anchor insert, screw anchor insert, and just put it up against the drill bit. And that's all you have to do. Because I didn't go far enough, so I'm gonna drill a little further. And once you get your holes drilled, just take your anchors, insert plastic pieces, and just knock them in with a hammer. They should go right in. As you can see, I tapped that one in. And I'm gonna tap the other one in also. And I'm gonna wire this into my original doorbell. But later I'm gonna move it, and I'm gonna get one of those Chime Pros, which will also help with the internet connection, and also it has the door ring, so I won't need to wire it up. As you can see, just put your wires on. It don't matter which side it goes on, because the only thing it's doing is shorten it together once you hit the button. And you replace it on there and tighten these little screws, and that's it. And I'm gonna give you a view of what I see here. You see my Ring right here, my app. I click on it, and right here you're gonna go to the left, and you can see I did a few recordings, and I clicked on the neighborhood. You can see what's going on in the neighborhood, and it's pretty neat. I like it. Then I'm gonna click here, and I'm gonna just scroll through and let you see some of them. Some of my live recordings. Here on the front door was about 6:50 in the morning. You notice that it's got that night vision, so nothing is in color. So I'm gonna look at one that's a couple hours later when the sun starts coming out. We'll say about, let's look at this one, 9:03. As you can see, it got a little bit more color, and you can zoom in and out. And this is pre-recorded videos. And I'm gonna click here on my front door. This is where I got it. And I'm gonna go to the link to the Chime. I'm gonna purchase one today or tomorrow, so I can get better internet connection, and also I can move my Ring, so I won't have to use the wiring. And that's all you have to do. It walks you right through it. It's pretty simple. So I'm gonna go to live view. As you see, the connection is really slow. But once it's connected, this is actual connection, you can view your front door. This is my front door, so I can zoom in and out. And if I see anybody coming, it has the motion detectors and everything. And I really enjoy it. So I'm gonna install one on my daughter's apartment. So you can talk to people, and you can just end the call. And that's really all to it. You can just go through it and play with all these different things. And if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and visit my website. Thank you and have a great day.